We are going to check on the property. Look at that, how beautiful it is in here. Ottawa National Forest, guys. This is what this is. And we're checking to see if the streets are plowed, groomed, and they are so far. Maybe not. This can't be it. Where in the world is it? Where is it? This is it. Right here. Right here. Yep. There we go. Boy, it's hard to find it in the snow. Everything looks the same. Yahoo! Okay, so my question's already been asked. This does get plowed.
Cut yourself.
I did. So this is it. Whew. I know, right? You can't tell because it's all iced over here. Look at that. Honey, stand next to it. Whew. Give you an idea how much snow there is here. That's pretty amazing, huh? Yeah. Yep. There's the property right there. Woo! It's so quiet. Yes. It's very isolated. I love it. Okay. We're ready.